Nakadaw jong ka Remal Cyclone ka Sorkar Jilah ka Semingkong kalaptha ya baro ki Deputy Commissioner ki NGO kiru Shampang hadu kinong song banlong ki ba Phikir bat banshim ya ki sengjam ki ba kongsan. Ka Sorkar la pelong ka review meeting haba ya dei bat ka jing Pynkhreh halor ka jingwan ka Remal Cyclone. Kane ka jingilang la penyai do Deputy Chief Minister ba Preston Tinsong bat menteri rang ba ukondat ke sangma ula shimbenta da ba page bat Chief Secretary Additional Secretary ki Commissioner Secretary but baro ki officer ki badai halor kene ke benta ki la sim benta lang.
After the review meeting that we had today, and the Chief Secretary, Additional Chief Secretary, Commissioner Secretaries, and all the officers concerned were also present in the review meeting, and even our Honorable Chief Minister, he joined us visually. And today we have reviewed everything about you are all aware about the cyclone, which has already started last night, and it is going on till this moment when we're talking. So I would like to inform that from the government side, right from the state level till the district and even the sub-divisional level, we are fully prepared, and we have already shared the opinions, the suggestions made by all the district administration, the deputy commissioners, and even the police forces. And now I am happy to inform to all of you that as of today, we are fully prepared, and I'm very sure these challenges that we have till this moment, we will also be able to overcome it till tomorrow, because the prediction says that this cyclone will go on till tomorrow, sometimes maybe in the evening or daytime. So friends, I would like to inform all the citizens of the state that from the government side, we are fully prepared, be it financially, be it physically, be it whatever situation arises. We are ready, and we have instructed all the agencies, be it the government agencies, be it the NGOs, be it the stakeholders up to the village level, that they should cooperate and should also work closely with the government machinery, which is already, as I said to you, linked up to the village level. This is what we have taken again the review meeting today, and we would like to inform and communicate to all the citizens of the state not to be panicky, but to also be in touch. Whatever eventuality happen, we are there, and the government is fully prepared for this.